Welcome to the future of finger protection, brought to you by ARTUS. This here is one of the ARTUS kits. There you can find the front exoskeletons, the thumb exoskeletons, and the size card to find your best fit. Let's dig into the components. The exoskeletons with 2 joints on each side are for the front fingers. The ones with 1 joint on each side are for the thumbs. Also, you might have noticed all exoskeletons have 2 digits. The first digit is the length. The second digit is the width. When they have the letter T, it's for the thumb. Now, let's see the sizing card. It has 2 sides, one for the front and the other for the thumb. It will help you to find your length and width for each finger. See you next time.